Hello, good afternoon. It's the 15th of February, and let's have a look at the markets today. I've put another pair in for you today. It's the AUD Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar, and this is a daily chart. And we've had some quite steep, large candles here, long candles. We had a short one there. This is daily. I called it a couple of days ago, but I didn't actually place my trade because it did continue going up. Um, the It has actually now it's broke the trend line there. Don't know whether you can see that, and we have gone short. So it's just fallen a little bit short of where we entered. So we'll see how that goes. I think that's going to be quite a good trade, and I do like to get the RSI. This is a 14 period RSI. Like to get the RSI over the 70 if I can, and I like to enter when it breaks the trend line and it comes back down. Now this one actually it's still flat, so there is a chance maybe of a little bit more upside in it, but we'll see how we get along, and we'll move quickly on now to the AUD, the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, as ever. This is my first one. Well, we broke the trend line. It went down and it's come back up and it's knocked us out. I put a take profit in. I've made pennies on this one. It is actually into heavy resistance where it is. I'll let that run for a couple of days and probably get back into it, but no tears, but that was a pity. That could have done quite a nice trade. And this again is the AUD USD, and again we're into some really heavy resistance. I mean, if I put this on a weekly chart, right, and you can see there is a lot going back years. There's a lot of heavy resistance there. So we're expecting this to short, and nothing at the moment seems to be helping us. My RSI is on a 26 period, and as you can see, I'm waiting for it to break there, and it's not helping me. I've already broken the trend line here, but this line is a line I've drawn from back here, which is going back to September 2016 through the highs and lows. And I think when it breaks this red line, that will show a distinct selling for this pair. There we go. Euro CAD. Sideways movement. I've got to wait for it to pop up. It's actually broken one of the lows, so I don't know. This might just continue on the way down. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm not convinced by this pair. I'm waiting for the Canadian dollar to short, and I'm waiting for the euro to short. So the pair of them, I feel better off out of it. Euro JPY. Yeah, I am looking to sell. Today we've been back up and we've touched the 20-day moving average. Had I caught it, I would have perhaps re-entered. I haven't quite broken my trend line, so I'm keeping an eye on it, but I'm not getting into this at the moment. Euro GBP, I'm looking to sell. It's had a couple of black candles last couple of days. So the RSI is still below the 50, which is like in a sell mode. I'm not getting into that today. Euro USD, again, we've got a nice white candle. Totally missed this one, got knocked out of it. Just one of those things, what can you say or do? I believe it's going to follow through selling, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Pound US dollar, and that has come down nicely today. That has. I didn't get back into it. I got knocked out at the white line. I could have more or less re-entered, but we'll see. I can't see a low risk entry point at the moment, so I'm out. USD JPY. Yes, this had quite a day yesterday. It's popped up a little bit more. It's in a good sell position as far as I'm concerned. I'm on a 26 period RSI here, and I'm just waiting for it to break that line, and it hasn't quite broken it yet. So we'll see how we go at the end of the day. But I think that's a good sell. I can't see there's much upside in this now, really, and it's going to prove me wrong. But that's Forex for you. USD CAD, I'm long this. It's come down and tested this bottom area again. This is action that I've completely and utterly missed. I'm in it here, which I thought was a good position, and it's gone further south on me. I'm waiting for it to tip up, but no such luck at the moment, I'm afraid. But I believe that's a good long-term buy. So I'm in it. We'll see how it goes. And here we go on the oil. So yeah, we're in. I've got a small white candle there today. That all helps me with my Canadian dollar because that's an oil-based economy. So we'll wait and see where that goes. But it's not really done anything today. No. Yeah. Okay then. Well, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you. Bye now.